There's no such a thing called endless creativity. We all need fresh inputs from time to time, and for me, it's 5 websites only. The top 3 can be quite classic that you might know, and I will explain you why I like them. But the last 2 one are, I consider them as hidden gems, and I will explain why they are great to understand the idea behind design principles. Let's dive in. The first one is siteinspire.com. Many of you know already, I know, and this website is here for a very long time, but I love it since day one. I love the fact that I can see a lot of design principles all in one place, such as like color combinations, some contrast, the way they use visuals and photos all together, all at once. And this is very carefully curated. And one thing about I like this website is you can go like types, subjects, or platforms. Let's say I want to do some colorful design, but I don't feel very confident about combining colors, which is also a very important aspect of UI design. Then I can go ahead and be able to see all these beautifully crafted color combinations. For example, like black and white, let's say corporate, or let's click once again and go to black and white. So I can only see now black and white, which is pretty cool. So you see, another aspect of 7 design principles is contrast. We can achieve contrast by size, not only colors itself. Even in a black and white website can be a high contrast, high value interface, and there are great examples. Now, a small warning here that some projects are quite old, so the links can be broken, but honestly that's not the point here. The real value here is the variety of minimal, bold and experimental websites all in one place. That's why I like siteinspire.com. Let's jump into the second one. It's called godly.website, and the name is not a joke. You will understand now. I think this is interactive. This is like a next level interactive storytelling with lots of animations and scroll effects, all that almost want you to click and go like how they can even achieve this truly exceptional websites all in one place. If you want to stay ahead of the trends or just push your imagination, Godly is basically where to go. Visit godly.website. I often open it just to remind myself what is possible today in today's design world. So the third one is the very classic one, awards, probably one of the most famous platform in our industry. But here is not only about inspiration, it's also about some sort of competition, because think it that way. A lot of designers around the world are coming to this website just in order to compete with the, let's say, latest trends. Let me change some position. With latest trends and some great typography and color combinations. This is where you see creme de la creme. Let's pick one. This one. Nominee. Pretty new. DaVinci. DaVinci is a venture capital platform for architects of the future, fund and asset managers, IT firms, algo traders, allocated, and great. I mean, look at these screenshots. You can also click the website and see the real website and the animation itself. I like this intro. So you see, it's not like a static, very well-known website that we used to use. So these are truly exceptional. I mean, look at these textures and small animations out here. And the cool thing about awards is They not only show you the designers, they normally show you who is behind front-end engineering, who is behind, let's say, photography and the entire team. So it's, again, it's not about inspiration only, it's about how they build groundbreaking UI designs with great bunch of people, right? I like what Steve Jobs said, that you can only do great things with great people. So that's a clear winner here. Okay, fourth one is onepagelove.com. It's super specific, as you can all guess. It's one pager. One thing about I like this website is that when you as a designer have this type of constraints that you only have one page, you need to be super creative and you need to be great at storytelling. And if I want to do something simple and minimal that is only striking, I go and pick some ideas from here. And again, not only the design ideas, I just wanted to see how, if I am going to make a blog, I just see how they structure it in a different manner or in a very unexpected manner. I quite like this variety in onepagelove.com. So if you are designing a landing page, a portfolio, or even a product page, this is pure gold. Go ahead and check it out, onepagelove.com. And the last one, surprise, surprise, that's a bit of a guilty pleasure here. I love Brutalism. And yeah, if you are that person, so okay, I know it's not for everyone, but I really like the raw and weird and almost anti-design aspect of this website. And let's think that way. Let's think this way. Brutalism strips away the polish and plays with raw HTML aesthetics. That's why I love about Brutalism. It's bold, it's full of typography and full of unexpected layouts. So when you are bored of, same clean, everyday clean, minimal type of look stuff, this site reminds you that breaking the rules are really an important part of creativity. So those are my top 5 websites. I keep going back to whenever I need to create something different. Which one do you use the most? Or do I forget something that you use almost day to day? Let me know down below in the comments, because I would like to add it to my bookmarks. And once again, if you feel inspired from this video or if you learned something, share with your friends, and see you in the next one.